Hey guys, it's Eileen here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Eileen. Do not judge my voice and how much you can watch this video based on how I speak, because this is not my normal voice. I am sick, so my voice is kind of going away, but that's why I thought it'd be the perfect time to film this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to be a bad bitch. I am aware that to show other people how to be a bad bitch, you have to be a bad bitch first, but we're just going to skip that step, okay? So today, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do your makeup like a bad bitch. And that's it. Honestly, like, I don't consider myself a bad bitch, obviously. But who cares, right? This is just like having fun. So if you guys want to see this video, then make sure to keep on watching. Let's jump into this video. Oh, and now I'm gonna start my makeup look. And just so you know, this video is a total joke. I don't want any of you guys to be like,
this bitch really thinks she's a baddie. Like, look at this. Like, does she look like a freaking baddie? Because she's not, huh? She's not a freaking baddie, huh? Like,
I've been new. Like, I don't really care. You know, like, it's literally just a joke. It's just a freaking video. So try not to take it up the butt. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start doing my makeup. I don't know why being a baddie is literally just makeup, but I guess it is. So I'm gonna get started. So what I'm gonna do to prime my face is that I'm just gonna spray this Mario spray on my face. And pat it in. Pat. I was using this lotion thing, but I think it was like making me break out, so I stopped using it. I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows. Sorry, this thing doesn't have batteries in it, so I'm gonna hold it up. My mom bought me a mirror and it doesn't even freaking work. But you know what? I'm so grateful. Like, I'm so grateful she thought of me. I literally was really grateful that she thought of me. I thought that was really sweet of her, but yeah, the mirror don't work, so so it's okay though. It's okay though.
thanks.
I'm just gonna use it like just to do my eyebrows. Alright guys, so my eyebrows are done. And they're probably not even. Are they ever though? No. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. So now what I'm gonna do next, clean up your brows, you know. I've really been wanting to get into vlogging, but my life isn't interesting enough to do that. Like, I'd literally just be like, hey guys, like, come to school with me. Hey guys, come to work with me. Hey guys, come with me and my sister to wherever we go eat. Probably Sonic. I'm gonna use this Glamouflage heavy duty concealer. This is like the best concealer for carving out your eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. I don't really use this very often anymore because I don't really do heavy makeup looks. But when you're doing like heavy makeup looks, this is like a really good concealer for that. I'm gonna be doing kind of like a warm tone look using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I'm gonna be grabbing the shade Strange from the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay. I'm just gonna be grabbing that shade. I'm gonna be using it as a, it's just like setting like concealer on my eyes, just kind of like as a base. And then I'm gonna grab some more and do more.
Let it go. 'Cause I want you.
Now I'm gonna grab this like a little blending brush and I'm gonna go into, this palette is so messed up because my brother freaking went in and just dug with his freaking nails, with pencils, like stuff like that. I'm gonna go into the shade Sauced right here. I'm just gonna use it as like a transition shade.
Let it go. 'Cause I want you.
Sauced shade, and I'm gonna put it on the side. So what I do, since I don't know how to do wing liner, is I just like wing out my eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab the shade He Devil, and I'm just gonna use it to darken my outer corner. God, I am so bad at doing makeup, guys. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I don't know why the hell I'm so bad at it. Like, I wish I could be one of those girls that was just like blessed with makeup skills, you know? But I'm not, unfortunately. Like, you know what? It's okay.
Fuck it.
I look fucking crazy. forget that you guys can't see my face. I have to like hold the mirror lower. So now I'm gonna grab a smaller one, this one, and I'm gonna go into shade En Fuego. I'm gonna use it to really darken out the outer crease. I just first pat it in. And I'm gonna take the other side and I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna grab more of that shade. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I honestly don't really want to do full coverage foundation just because I feel like I break out more when I do full coverage, so I think I might just do a tinted moisturizer. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do the full coverage foundation or whatever the fuck.
Fuck it!
So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I don't ever really use full coverage foundation because I don't know, I'm just more of like a tinted moisturizer girl. I just feel like it's easier on my skin personally for me to use tinted moisturizers rather than foundations. But I mean, everybody's different, so it just helps my skin not break out as much. The Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes.
She said, what if I die deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flowers with me? I told her thinking is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. No, it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause I want you. I want you.
Okay guys, I'm back. So I ended up just doing like everything. This is my makeup look. This is my baddie makeup look. I wasn't really saying anything, so I just ended up just doing my makeup off of camera. And yeah, so this is what my makeup looks like. It's a little dark. Yeah, this is my look. I have dark hair, you know, dark lips, dark look. So yeah guys, this is what my makeup looks like. If you like this makeup look, since I didn't show you guys exactly what I did like step by step, let me just go ahead and go through the products I used. My lips are so not even. My makeup look does not look like great, but you know what? It's okay. So yeah, so this is how to be a freaking baddie. For my eyebrows, I used the Anastasia pomade, and I used the Anastasia brush. It's the 12th one, I think. So I used this brush with a little spoolie at the end, and then I used the pomade to do my eyebrows, and that's the first step that I did. To prime my face, I literally just used baby lotion. Okay, so to do my eyebrows, or to clean up my brows, I used the Glamouflage concealer. It's a heavy duty concealer by Hard Candy. And I used just like a flat brush. Where is it? I literally just used like this flat brush. And then for my powder, I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my concealer. And then I just used this brush to wipe it off after I baked. And then I used the Anastasia contour kit, just like the powder one. I think it's a powder one. Then I used the little like NARS blush in the shade Orgasm for my blush. And then I used the lip color that I'm using, if you're wondering, is from Smashbox, and it is in the shade Misconduct. And that's the shade I used for my lips. And then for mascara, I just used a regular CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. I think it's honestly one of the best mascaras. And I didn't set my face. So this is my makeup look, as you can see. I know it's not like great, like I'm not a freaking beauty guru or whatever, but this is the baddie makeup look. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.